Welcome back to our countdown to Splash. Every week we've had the opportunity to showcase one of our amazing OneStream experts. So make sure if you missed any of them, go back and get introduced to more of our amazing team. This week we have Fontella Long on, and she's been with Archetype now just coming up over a year and plays a key role, I know, specifically with Archetype University, which I'm super excited to chat about. But why don't we start with you introducing yourself, Fontella?
Thanks, Mitchell. Good afternoon. Fontella Long. I've been in the CPM practice for over 25 years, specifically within the training arena. And I'm excited to bring those tools and resources to Archetype in building out our practice. This practice is going to be one that has offerings internally and externally to our clients.
Love it. And I've been asking everybody, so what's been your favorite part about working at Archetype?
I probably would say the swag.
I love it. Yes. Love it.
I got my Yeti, so I appreciate that to stay hydrated. And, got to do the right sleeve there. So
Exactly. I got it right this time. Yeah. Love it. Absolutely. That's great.
But, and honestly, I would say my thing about coming to Archetype was making certain that it was a place that, voices are heard and people are working together. And when we first start talking about, what is Archetype and the culture like, it was definitely, it's a team environment. Everyone's focused, everyone's ready to help and more of a family, if you will. And I have to say firsthand, hands down, that's exactly how it is. If there's ever a time where I need a question answered or someone to jump in on solutioning on a problem, I can contact anyone from the COE or within the practice, and they're there to assist, even if it goes in a little bit after hours. So I would say it's truly a team environment, and I'm glad to be a part of the Archetype family.
Yeah, it seems like that has been the ongoing trend with these, with asking everybody that. And I know overall, we focus on wanting to bring people on board here who enjoy solving problems for clients. But I also think that comes internally with when we have problems that we're looking to solve and have issues trying to solve the problem. Everybody wants to be involved and help each other out to solve these other problems. So it's great. I love it for sure. So now going back to specifically the Splash Conference and OneStream, I'm curious and maybe dive a little bit into Archetype University of what is it, and then specifically what are you most excited about when it comes to building this out around the OneStream delivery?
I would say, kind of going back to that family and diving in approach of people wanting to solve problems, it is kind of really putting guardrails, if you will, around the educational practice and making certain that we have a curated course, the foundation of bringing, let's say, some of our junior resources. And as a matter of fact, I think you may have interviewed one of them already from
Nathan
Christmas. Yeah. So he has been one that's gone through that we've worked through training and development, and truly, I would say a poster child, if you will. And I don't want to say that we're using him as a guinea pig, but he is definitely one that is helping to really cultivate what we need from an Archetype University perspective. And these offerings are not just what we're doing internally, but also externally for our clients. So we're ensuring that we have readiness for all of our resources and using it to upskill those who may have come from a different practice or even a different product to really be fully inundated on the OneStream platform.
Love it. Yeah, I think it's awesome. And we're obviously super excited to have you on the team taking lead in the charge for Archetype University. And we're looking forward to seeing everyone in person at Splash. And thanks again, Fontella, for hopping on. And we'll see everyone next week. I know we got Tim Colrus coming on next week, and excited for that as well.